How to sign up for TextNow account. First of all, open the app on your device. You will see the sign up and login buttons on the welcome screen. Tap on the sign up option to create a new account. You will be asked to sign up with Google, Facebook or email. For a quick sign up process, choose Google or Facebook as you will only need a few taps to complete your account setup. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address, create a secure password and tap on sign up button. Make sure to use a valid email that you can access as it may be required for verification. After filling in your details, tap the sign up button to proceed. You may receive a verification email, check your inbox and follow the instructions to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, you can set up your TextNow number by selecting your preferred area code. This will give you a new phone number that you can use for calling and texting right away. Now you know how to sign up for a TextNow account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.